The next stitch that we're going to focus on is called the split stitch, and that is this one right here. You're going to start this the same way you started the stem stitch, coming up through the back of the fabric and pulling all the way through. And then you're going to do the same thing you did the last time. Go one stitch length away, not too far, not too close. Go down through the fabric, and instead of leaving this little loop out, you're going to pull it tight all the way down. Now, this is what it looks like on the back. You're going to come up in front of where you just went back down into the fabric, pull all the way through, and you're going to split the stitch you did previously. And that's why it's called the split stitch. You're going to go down straight into the middle of that stitch and pull it all the way through. And then you're going to do the same thing. Come up a little bit in front of your last stitch, pull it up, split the stitch in front of you, go right down into the middle of it, and pull it through. This one might be even a little easier than the stem stitch. And this one's great also for outlines and general lines in your embroidery art. Come up in front, split the stitch in front of you, the halfway point, and pull it back through. And when you're doing this stitch, don't worry too much about getting exactly into the middle of the stitch in front of you. You just want to make sure there's a little bit of thread on either side of your needle when you go into the fabric, and that you're splitting it in the direct center of that stitch. And I'll do a few more. Up, split your stitch, and one more. Up, split your stitch, and it's already finished for you when you end on the back. You'll just finish that by creating your knot. Go through the loop, tighten the next loop, and then go right back through to create that knot and weave in the tail before finishing off.